Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey everyone, it's your girl NueNew the Hair Diva, and I'm back with you with Why? Hey everyone, it's your girl NueNew the Hair Diva, and I'm back with you with episode 2, 3. Can't take it. Hey everyone, it's your girl NueNew the Hair Diva, and I'm back with you with episode 3 of nails and eyeshadow look. I forgot what I called this. Look-alike. There we go, look-alike. We starting off this video extra special. This is the look-alike, and I have created a nail look and a eyeshadow look to match my nails. This is episode 3, and I would have to say this particular look is probably one of my favorites. Now I know I can do pretty good, for me, eyeshadows, but I have decided to do my nails first and then try to create an eyeshadow look with that. So before we get into all the makeup and the nails, these are my new glasses. Now I can see you, but only down here. They're like progressives. Yeah, NueNew was blind as a bat. I don't know how I was driving. And I love this nice blue color on the arms. I really think it's pretty. Okay, so I have all the makeup and nail supplies that I have used, and I apologize for the very first episode that I created. It just cut off in the middle of the video. So I'm going to try to do this pretty fast, but you know how it is. So here are my nails. This is the basic artwork that I chose to do for this time. I really love this color. Nice blue teal color. And I'm going to take my glasses off and zoom in. This is my eyeshadow look. I really like it. Ta-da! If you've been watching my channel for quite some time, you all know that I love to say that word when I do my makeup. Okay, so let's go through this nail polish because the makeup is a whole lot of it. For my nails, I have applied this UNT nail lacquer. This is a peel-off base coat. And this right here helps me not have to use as much acetone for my nails. It just lightly peels off the entire nail polish. I really enjoy that. And if you want to know more about it, just leave me a comment below. The colors that I have used is Verity Verity nail polish in the color Golden Wine. That's the polish, and that is the name, Golden Wine. Such a pretty color. The next polish that I use is by OPI, and this is called CIA Color is Awesome. And that's what the polish looks like. And there's a swatch for you on there. And this is called CIA Color is Awesome. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. As a topper for my pinky nail and the middle finger here, I am using some Julep nail polish, and this is a Metamorphic top coat in the color Bjork. So that is what it looks like. Is Julep, and this is the finish that it gives over the top of the nail polish. I always use my Omega Labs brush on nail glue. And I'm using some Born Pretty glitters. And this is in the color red, brown, and gold. You can see those colors in there. They're all circles, red, brown, and gold. I'm using some Swarovski crystals in the color blue. You can see those in there. And then I am using this nail wheel. Now I ordered gold, but they sent, if this is gold, it's fool's gold because it looks orange. So these are the stones that I have used that you can see there. It's supposed to be gold, but it is kind of like an orangey color. And of course my Omega Labs out the door top coat on my nails for that. And I also use, I'll put a picture here of it, Orly matte top coat. Now at the moment they may look quite shiny. That's because I put some oil on my nails. Didn't want to be ashy. So they look a little shiny, but this is what my nails look like. Now, when I do my nails, I never know what I'm going to create, so I just, pick some colors and then take it from there. However, I thought that this would be a difficult look to create because of the colors that I chose. Orange, blue, red, brown, gold, and I didn't know how the look would be. So I showed you what I look like. I'm just gonna zoom in once again and show you my eyes. This is what it looks like. I even did a wing line, y'all. And now I'm going to put my nails up against it. And as you can see, I believe I achieved a look that actually matched. Okay, so let's get into this makeup because it is a lot of it. So let me put my glasses back on so I can see what the heck I'm doing. Alrighty, for my brows, I use a couple of things here. Where are you? I use my Nika K liner in dark brown. Then I went over that with the Ulta Beauty brow tint in Auburn. From there, it holds the brows, but you still can kind of move them a little bit. So I went over it with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Genius, and that is what I did for my brows. Let's see. I'm just gonna pick stuff up whether it's in order or not. The concealer that I used was my Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer in the color Dark. And pretty much all of these items came out the Shop My Stash box that I have for the month of March. The other concealer that I use is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Peach. Those are the eyes. Let's see. On my face, the primer that I have is the Smashbox Primer Water. And I am using the Shiseido Ibuki Smart Filtering Smoother. And this helps to reduce the pores or just the look of pores on your skin, and I am liking that. I need to go back and get some more. Gotta add TJ Maxx, I believe. For my foundation, I'm using my Smashbox Liquid Halo, and I added in a little bit of my Tarte Maracuja oil just so that my face wouldn't be too matte and it wouldn't feel tight, because it is still cool out here. I have powder on my face, and for under the eye, I'm using my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. I am enjoying this and the color. For contour and the rest of my face, I'm using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. For blush, I have my MAC blush in Burnt Pepper. That's what that color looks like. For a highlight, believe it or not, if you can see that, I think you can. I am using the Cover FX Glitter Drops that looks like this as a base, and then I have on my Anastasia Beverly Hills Golden Glow highlight over it. So these two things are what I have for my highlight, and child, it is working. It's working. Now that's the only time I tried it together, but so far so good. Let's see, is everything else over here is for eyes. I finished everything with my MAC Prep and Prime. This is in the lavender scent. Alright, so now let's get to these eyes. What I did was I used my NYX eyeshadow base in Skin Tone. And I think I even did like a cut crease, y'all. So I used this base and got it all over everywhere. And I used the Sweet Peach powder to set that. After I set that, I tried to use only one palette. Now this palette I used in the first initial video, but you didn't get a chance to see it. So let me get it open here. Okay, it is the Perfect 23 Matte Colors, and that's what it looks like. And I will open it so that you can see the palette much better. So I use only this palette and two other items to create this look. Now they don't have names or anything on there, so I can show you the colors that I use. I use this nice golden brown here. Now I say golden brown because that's how it went onto my eye. I use this color here, which turned out to be a nice red orange, so I really like that. I use this color here with some Fix Plus for the blue. I did like a cut crease with the concealer, and then over that I packed in that color right there, and then I used some Fix Plus over it to make it deeper. Then I use this golden yellow color that you see here, and I mean without the Fix Plus it matched these golden stones I have on my nails. And then I cut the crease a little bit with this nice chocolatey reddish brown right there. So I believe those are all the colors that I use out of this palette. Then the center of my eye, I use one of these Urban Decay singles, and this is in the color Lounge. And let's see if I can get this open. And this is what Lounge looks like. That's that color. And I put that in the center lid area. Then I use some of this NYX glitter primer. And while using that, just to give myself, you know, some glitter, because I barely use it, I picked out a matte glitter in bronze. I believe that's what it's called, bronze, and it looks like that. Very, very pretty. And that glitter glue definitely works. I really liked it. I just put it on the brush, applied it to the area that I wanted, used the same brush, picked up the glitter, and I had very little fallout. And the fallout that I did have, I just used the makeup wipe and it was gone. Okay, so then for the lower lash line, this is a brand new pencil, but I forgot to haul it. This is part of my haul for the super mega haul. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in LSD. And I will give you a swatch of that. And this is what is on my lower lash line. And that's what the polish looks like next to it. And for my eyes, I'll get to one other product that I use that y'all gonna, I hope you like. The Superhero It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I believe I'm almost done with that. For my lips, I use my Nika K pencil that I use on my brows all the time in dark brown. Then I use my matte lipstick, and this is Whirl. And that's what Whirl looks like. And I will give you a swatch as well. That's Whirl. From there, I use my NYX Butter Gloss. And this is in Angel Food Cake. Did y'all know that these containers were clear? I didn't know. Look how much of this I've used. Oh my goodness. Might be in the panning challenge. Okay, last but not least, I used the item that I did a buy it to try it for you guys. It is the Vamp Stamp. Thank you to everyone that watched that video. It was truly fun. I had people let me know that they tried it, that it didn't work. Other areas that I could get it from. And I was like, wow, this is something very interesting. So the Vamp Stamp comes with Vink. And this is the ink that is a cushion base ink, only in black as of right now. And this is the Vamp Stamp, if you haven't seen it. And on the sides, right here, you have these arrows. And then you have left and right. And child, NueNew did a wing line. Now I'm gonna come in one more time. Y'all got to see this. I did a wing line, and because I took my time, yeah, do y'all see that? Look at that wing line, y'all. Look at that. The Vamp Stamp works. I am in love. Love it, love it, love it. So thank you guys for sticking with me to the end of this video. Definitely watch the videos as they are coming up, because this year I will be doing giveaways, and it's going to be products that I love. And what I'm going to do is just pick sometimes 1 to 3 people and, you know, let them know that you want a giveaway based on 1 or 2 small little things that I may request within the video, and send you things that I love to use, that I am using. So definitely comment, like, share, and all those good things. Here is one last look of my nails. I hope you like them. And the eyeshadow look. All right, everyone, to all be blessed. Wear your makeup, save your money, and NueNew will see you in a few days with the next video. Bye.